Benefits of eating eggs for breakfast. 5 reasons why you should eat eggs for breakfast. Eggs are a superfood by any objective standard. They have long been a staple, not just in a particular region, but worldwide. Eggs have some advantages which makes them one of the most wholesome food sources in the world. They are often regarded as nature's most perfect food, and with good reason. Here are 5 reasons why you should eat eggs for breakfast. Reason 1. Weight loss. A 2008 study published in the International Journal of Obesity has indicated that eggs are the perfect food for weight loss. Compared to the group that ate a carb-based breakfast, the group that ate eggs for breakfast reported feeling fuller for longer, losing more weight, and eating less throughout the day. This is mainly associated with the protein content in eggs. Reason 2. Omega-3. Omega-3 is vital for optimal human performance and is found in a few places, namely fish and egg yolks. Unless you eat fish or are supplementing omega-3, you should eat organic free-range eggs for the badly needed omega-3 content. Eggs contain EPA and DHEA, 2 of 3 types of omega-3, which is essential for brain functioning. Reason 3. Essential amino acids. Eggs contain all 9 of the essential amino acids, along with 3 of the 4 non-essential amino acids. Aside from meat, eggs are the best source of essential amino acids. Eggs also contain carotenoids, zeaxanthin, and lutein, which are difficult to find elsewhere. Reason 4. Overall nutritional profile. Eggs contain good amounts of protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, omega-3, choline, carotenoids, and essential amino acids. There is no need to get exotic if you want to eat a superfood for breakfast. Eggs will always remain a perfect food that are ideal for breakfast. One study published in the British Medical Journal indicated that increasing egg consumption did not lead to heart disease, and other studies have indicated that egg consumption actually decreases heart disease due to the antioxidant content. Reason 5. Quick, cheap, and delicious. There are a variety of ways to prepare eggs, including scrambled, fried, raw, poached, or boiled. They are very tasty and relatively inexpensive. An egg can be boiled within 5 minutes. When choosing eggs, it is important to choose organic and pasture-raised where possible. This means the hens are out to pasture and eating in their natural habitat, as opposed to being fed grains that are not of the highest quality. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.